everyone, here we go ongoing on the lecture number 14 from Mentors Academy. Here I am Noor. So we are completed the 13 lecture. You can go and watch our every lecture by sequencing that you guided or you learned a lot of English from it. So this is the topic from today is past continuous. Past continuous means जो भी काम process में था past के अंदर, not now, because we are discussing the past topic, the past tense. So we are also discussing the past continuous one because which is the mainly topic used for रहा था, रही थी या रहे थे. जिस भी सेंटेंस के एंड में आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना हो दैट यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई के ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है, इसका नाम क्या है. सो आपको देखना होगा कि उसकी उर्दू में लिखा होगा एंड में, सेंटेंस किसी भी एंड में लिखा होगा रहा था, रही थी और रहे थे. बेसिकली द फॉर्मूला फॉर इट इज सब्जेक्ट that you all know is subject is the most important thing, the main character of this story, and then was were. We need to use was were for it. Were for a lot of people and was for the singular noun, right? And then the first form with ing. ing लगा देंगे first form के साथ, or you can say the fourth form will be using in these kind of sentences. And then the last one is the object meaning. So the example for affirmative in past continuous number 1 is she was purchasing a book. वो बुक खरीद रही थी, right? In the past. ये प्रोसेस तो हुआ है काम, लेकिन पास्ट में वो बुक खरीद रही थी. It shows an action. This is the action now. Purchasing is the action which is continue in the past. ये action तो continue था लेकिन past. That is the reason we are using the term past continuous for this kind of sentences. And the second example is they were drawing pictures. वो pictures drawing कर रहे थे, right? In the past, they are drawing pictures. Or if you modify the sentence like they are clicking the picture, they are taking the picture, right? वो तस्वीरें खींच रहे थे. Right? So this is how you modify the sentence, just by replacing the object, just by replacing the action, just by replacing the main verb. So this is how you're going to make the past continuous, the affirmative one. Alright class, so here we're going to start the second type, the negative one. Lecture is the same, but the sentences are negative. Because affirmative we have been discussing the affirmative, now we're going to make the negative sentences of past continuous tenses. So how we going to make this? First of all, we need to memorize the formula and we need to vigilant about the formula because formula make your sentence very easy. So for the formula, subject, was, were, according to the affirmative one, which is the same method we'll be using in negative one. Just we need to add not in it and not with was and were. And then verb the last form, the fourth one, and we also call के first form के end में ing use कर लो, so it will make your fourth form, right? For the easier one. And then the object. So example number 1 for the negative one is he is the subject of first and was the verb. We are using helping verb and then not flying a kite. How? What was the translation of this sentence? Which is he was not flying a kite. वो पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा था. Right? Because singular noun की बात हो रही है, that is the reason we are using was. If मैं they की बात करूँ, if मैं पूरी एक plural चीज की बात करूँ या plural nouns की बात करूँ, तो उसके लिए हम हमेशा was नहीं लगाएंगे because this is not the method. The method is that if you have the singular noun he, she, I, so we're going to use was, and if we have they, lots of people, so we need to use were for it. So the second sentence is we were. We के साथ हमेशा word लगेगा. We all knew about it. And not making a speech. वो speech नहीं बना रहे थे, right? वो speech नहीं कर रहे थे. We also said this. वो speech नहीं बना रहे थे. Because most of the time it happens that we first make the speech and then we deliver our speech. But this sentence is also, you can change the sentence like we were not making a food. Making food. Is not a specific one because food is a whole thing. So after negative one, we need to talk about the interrogative one, the सवालिया जुमला. How we going to make this? सवाल जुमले को बनाने के लिए हम अपने ही स्टेटमेंट को कंफर्मेशन कॉलिंग के लिए यूज कर रहे होते हैं या क्वेश्चनिंग के लिए मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यूज कर रहे होते हैं। हम अपनी ही बात की कंफर्मेशन कर रहे होते हैं अपने पार्टनर से, और ईच अदर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि क्या मैं कर रहा था, क्या मैंने ये किया था। सो दिस इज हाउ वी क्वेश्चन टू अदर्स एंड समटाइम वी क्वेश्चन विद आवरसेल्व्स आल्सो। So in this method, in past continuous tenses, this is the formula we will be using in it. Was word subject की जगह पर, replacement of interrogative sentence is all about subject की जगह was word and then subject, right? Verb की fourth form, it's also called first form के साथ ing लगा लें. I'm repeating again and again just to be memorizing you. And then objective, but don't forget to write the question mark in the end of the sentence because it shows that you made the negative one. And then the first example for interrogative sentence in past continuous tenses is, was I attending a school party? क्या मैं स्कूल पार्टी अटेंड कर रहा था? मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इस तरह होता है कि बहुत सारे सर्कमस्टांसेस, सिचुएशंस या प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से हम बहुत सारी चीजें भूल रहे होते हैं। एंड देन वी टॉक टू ईच अदर विद आवर स्कूल फ्रेंड्स और विद आवर कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स, क्या मैं ये कर रहा था वहाँ? लाइक यू नीड टू लाइक कंफर्म टू द अदर पर्सन कि क्या मैं वो पार्टी अटेंड कर रहा था। Did was I attending the party? Was I was not? क्या मैं कर रहा था या नहीं कर रहा था? This is how this is the main purpose of these kind of sentences. कि हम किसी से भी अपनी ही की हुई हरकत को कंफर्म करते हैं या फिर क्वेश्चन भी करते हैं समटाइम। एंड द सेकंड वन इज, were they being very smart? क्या वो बहुत स्मार्ट बन रहे थे? मतलब आप कभी कभी इस तरह होता है ना कि ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस की वजह से हम बहुत सारी चीजों को सही जो हमें आती नहीं है एग्जाम में, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी डिड रॉन्ग just because of the over smartness. So this is how we make the sentence more easily, more specifically. If you want to ask something, so comment below according to the or regarding the past continuous tense. We will be answering you in a short period of time. Thank you so much for watching.